My name is Sipesi Kemzinyata and welcome to another video by me. Okay guys, and today on today's video, as you guys can see by the title of the video, today we're going to be doing a seafood boil from
Seafood Boil SA.
Exactly, and I am not alone. I am with my two beautiful friends. You guys want to introduce yourselves?
Yo, Batolona. I'm Manta, space friend.
I'm Wanile, space friend.
And on socials, you guys are?
On socials, you can find me on Instagram as Ndoni Amanzi. On TikTok, you can find me as Ndoni Shope.
Both Instagram and TikTok, it is Wanile_in. Please do follow.
Okay, you guys, today we have a shrimp pasta. Shrimp pasta. Wait,
It's mac and cheese with shrimp on top.
Okay, it's mac and cheese with shrimp on top. Seafood SA, right?
Yes, from Seafood Boil SA.
Seafood boil.
Sponsors.
Seafood boil SA.
Yes.
Guys, see?
Bayatholakala in Pretoria, Johannesburg, and Durban, but only for deliveries and collection paid. So
Nice.
in case you decide to order. Yeah.
So here, you guys, we have prawns, we have shrimps, we have sweet potatoes, amazanda, boiled eggs, and then
Mbila, oh, angazile ukuthi yini.
Silwane
nombila namazambane, potatoes, sweet corn, shrimp, sweet potatoes, yeah. Nizobona. So and then
Is it a disclaimer that I don't
This
eat
is lemon
pasta?
butter. Yes,
Oh.
Wanele doesn't eat pasta.
I don't eat pasta.
So
They're
she's
going
not gonna be
have
tasting
eat
the pasta.
I'm only gonna go. Guys.
Exactly. And the mandate, guys, is we have to taste everything. So you can't say no to anything.
Ukuthi lona nje angazi.
So bona ke la ngoba sina scale sinalo. Guys, it's my first seafood
boil.
yes experience. What about you guys?
It's my second. It's actually my third.
It's your third?
Yes.
I mean, that's my second.
First, so
It's my
in minute
second.
chichi lang.
Ow!
Come in.
It's not now. Kimi. Hey, lapho ngisizoqala kuba mnandi. It's fine one elizongisendela.
Lena mantwa yini? Yini lena
It's
mantwa?
Sauce.
It's
Soya
sauce.
sauce.
Ukuthi angazi if it's lemon butter or Cajun.
Cut that
Lemon
out.
okay,
It's
no,
occasion.
it's fine.
It's occasion. Also, you know. Occasion.
Occasion, ne?
Yeah, occasion.
Yeah.
But you guys, before we get into the video, where's the brutal fruits?
Please
Let's
sponsor
get
your
into-
girl.
Let's get into the drinks.
Cling, cling.
Period.
Perm.
Working as like an appetizer to cleanse our palates.
Yeah.
Khona sizozwa kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani la.
Ne?
Madoda. Kodwa ngiyayisaba lento.
You guys, should we start with the seafood boil or with the
Please
pasta?
start with the pasta.
The pasta,
and
ne?
then
Cause-
sigcine ngalokhu mina.
Okay.
So
How do you guys
mac and
eat
cheese.
pasta?
Ngishona khona. Buza ngibakhombisa.
Ngibakhombisa first bites.
Ngikhombisa.
The lighting. Not bad.
Ngithanda
Not bad. I was actually scared of this, but
Really?
Mm.
It's nice.
If
If you're lactose intolerant though, I don't suggest because Zukisha is
Mixing. Oh, so Dylan, are you saying?
We're gonna talk about
It's
that
so-
on Monday.
it's so cheesy.
No.
It's so cheesy, but
It's
I'm not
actually
spicy
so
as well.
nice. Out of
I'm
10.
gonna get tanned. Out of 10, I'm gonna give it a 7 because it's too cheesy.
I was about to say 7. Oh. I think ngoba asidlanga immediately ifika.
Otherwise, it was gonna be nice.
Okay.
I highly
Esitshiphe sodwa bo.
Never.
Semakala.
Don't trend. I don't eat pasta.
Pheke kahle, it's not.
Yabezo shrimp la bekhuluma.
And the pasta isn't overcooked.
Mm.
It's not overcooked.
Ibalansile nje guys into yakhona.
So that's nice.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Ngoba izolandela.
Usibhe uhlezi smell.
Ne?
Space.
Ending.
I smell.
Ne?
Andaqala dini sekode. Yabo nje la last week. Last
Yeah.
time we were here.
That's usaba last time nam. So
It was a very
qala
long. Let me look for interesting
It's
questions.
too cheesy though, you guys.
It is.
Yawe.
It's cheesy.
Ne?
Muzazi ukuthi lactose intolerance or izinto ezi-rich
Yes.
awuyithandi. Angiyithoni. Ungayithengi. Bese cishe lokuthi
Copyright.
uTikTok oba right onganankinga.
I'm like,
YouTube ave strict.
Ne?
very straight. Fawudlala ingoma ezingaziwa.
Ngoba lezi zingizinto
Guys,
angikuqonda.
ayikho nenkinga vele nola ne?
Yeah.
Vele uyafaka okulezinto.
Ne? I-disclaimer ke nami guys angikudla ubhatata. By the way. Angikudli nje. Yena disclaimer yami vele.
Nakia.
Sakala.
Guys ubaqala
Yazini ngoba mina sengizule
Zule.
ishrimp
Niggas.
ngalanga go pasta. I'm gonna try the shrimp first.
Ne?
I'm gonna
Okay.
try it alone.
We should try it
And
on
then with the sauce.
I think we should all try it at once.
At the same
At the same
time.
time.
So we get the same reaction.
Yes.
Okay.
With the sauce or without the sauce?
Without the sauce first and then with the sauce second.
So this is a shrimp, you guys.
Shrimp.
Esencane ke
1, 2,
3.
3, go.
Not bad.
But chewy.
It's too chewy compared to the pasta.
But it's nice, but it's just chewy.
Too chewy, guys. Otherwise, it's nice. It's chewy.
Nebo iraba. Iraba. Iyababa wona.
Ne?
Mangihashukile.
Imnandi, guys. Le ndiraphi inkinga. It's the
Ukhashukile
chewiness.
uzuze nanokuthi this chewy. You just
With the
gonna
sauce.
eat.
Ngifuna ukuyizama nesauce.
Finally, with the sauce.
I'm sure
Oh, with the
izovuma.
sauce.
Guys,
Okay, without the
No
sauce, out of
shade.
10.
out of 10 without
I'm
the
rating it
sauce.
as 7.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
8.
I like the
7.
spices.
Without the sauce, guys, because it's chewy, it's gonna be a 6. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Strict chef.
Very strict.
Chef was strict.
No, it's the chewiness. I need something that chewy to
Okay.
quite honest with you
I was
guys.
saying
Susan.
Hey, the sauce is not making sense. The sauce is not making sense.
Yabona ishakile vuthiwe pheki. Never kake. No.
iyababa sauce.
Ne?
Phela.
Ngathi ngikwi Indian store. Ngathi
Imali.
ngisekhola imali.
Guys, I suppose they can't be guys. Do you have to heat up his sauce as well?
I think we were supposed to
To
heat up
heat
the
it up,
sauce.
ne? Because the sauce share my hands. And mind the guys, man.
It's fine.
Think microwave.
Yeah, it's sauce, guys, man.
Savele singashukela
Uleke yani microwave.
Manje lezi zinto seyisheba nani zonke. Isos my bad. Guys,
iyababa guys the sauce. Iyababa. Ngisho noma ibanda ke.
I got that. I'd rather have the shrimps alone without the sauce.
Same.
The sauce inobushati nje ophekiwe.
Same.
One mix amfethu.
Asihlubeni lana ke ma
So hlube yodwa nomuntu uyayihlubela.
hlubani
Is there another? Okay, ngeke let's le.
Hey, one element taste.
No, I'm gonna taste it.
I'll plastic.
Yes. No, no, my. Keep a little for separate.
High school
should I dip it in the sauce?
Riska impilo yakho. Riska nje impilo yakho.
It tastes like a fish finger to me. I love it.
Really? Fish vele nje.
But it's just
I love prawns, guys.
I was about to say, with seafood, guys, prawns are my favorite. So, my bed and shit, I'm gonna be honest.
Manje ukuthi awahlubeki kahle awukudla nje uqala ngokuhluba.
Mingiza nje. Yabo kube KFC ngawuthatha umuntu
ngabe sengihlafune. And then since you've already taken your first bite, I mean you can try with the sauce.
Yes. Okay, and then how do you rate it?
You should only get to taste this like fish fingers to me.
Oh, fish finger. And then we rate her from 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give it an 8. Yeah, like.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's really nice.
At 8.
I go.
It's really nice.
8. It's actually nice, ne?
Sorry.
Munu. You guys, this is nice.
I think I'm eating the wrong thing.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sure, guys.
Ngisazoyizama nje.
Hayi ngeke. Mina nje guys risk.
Brutal Foods, if you don't sponsor me, at least please sponsor this channel.
Please, at least.
Please. We drink you every single day, my dear.
Without fail, every time we link up this Brutal
there
Foods.
Should be a drink. You?
Ngicabanga usoso ukuthi yamosha nikhuluma isingisi singezwakali kuningi.
A lot is going on.
Kuningi. Ngiphelele.
No, you guys, but Amapons
By
by far the best I've tasted kulento lena.
They really ate. Manje lo mkhusha wepasta in.
mina ngizomudla la.
Ngizomudla.
Awuna.
Mina sikwangithezi naye.
Uyavuma.
Guys, inyama yade sila siyene maqindi.
Asiyene into ezingasi.
Nizomthindo.
Iqanda noma
Izingamthindo yo.
Iqanda noma umbila.
Mina ngizozama iqanda so half.
Iqanda ngibona
inside thingy
sauce.
Yini?
Isikhathi.
Masuza ngeke ngiyabonga. Aningihluweleni. How do? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna.
I have the white parts. Manje uzwazi kanjani ukuthi naso ngisikupha.
Inkinga ke mina iqanda ngibona elifaka kwi-sauce.
Vele ngena kwi-sauce.
Okay, let me try like that.
Nje.
Afaka kwi-sauce ulidle ne-sauce. Iwanele ngoba athandi le.
It's push.
Mina siqale siteste alone ke. Ma ungashi. 1, 2, 3.
Usiqala yodwa.
I was about to say
this is
so nothing special.
This is so
Ningangenzi njalo. Thatha.
Ayibabi nane sauce yakhona.
Izambane leli?
Le izambane.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I think you chose the wrong
sauce. Cannot.
Ne? Bengimele uthathe ibutter. Ayikho ibutter bingekho.
Bekhona lemon butter.
Bengimele uthathe yona. Ngifaka sauce.
I'm not a fan.
Yimbi bayiso.
wrong, guys. That's the
seafood boil. I said to my husband,
seafood boil is
seafood boil.
I think that's the Cajun.
Cajun banda, please do something about it.
Yeah, I think we're finding into lemon.
That's it.
Yeah, baba. It's just spicy.
Yeah,
that's my foster. Eric Pierre. That's my foster.
What that was it did.
That's how I say it.
So go kumnandi. Ungabuki ukuthi
Crab.
Idliwa njani crab?
Crab, guys.
Without us.
Oh, guys, light.
We are being taught.
Crab.
Yeah, we should put a guess.
Mina ngathi ngishile because
guys, I figured it out. Okay.
So nje okay, awuhlubele
Ayakhalisike le.
Ayikhaliswa nemiyangikhalisa.
Asithi kanje usikhiphile.
Is it in color?
Besizoyithi ngezi.
Is it in color?
Ngisaba kona ukwenza lokho
I was move babe. Hey, oh, not ladylike.
I should be ladylike.
No, it's nje.
Juicy.
Nazo-ke.
Woo!
Kaze ngiyancane
Baba yizwa.
Ngiyasaba mina.
Oh my god, I love Zulu people. What Hlafaza?
What the heck?
What's Hlafaza?
This one is juicy. It's
Fish
fish paste. It means you're not associated.
That's fish paste, guys. Ngiyagcina fish paste.
Kuyenzeka kodwa siphe. Ngiyazamela.
Are you winning?
Ngiyazamela.
Nawe kuyalo. Mina sengize ngayithola inyama. Nginihlephulele sho sila inyama. We isiqasakele ku mac and cheese inyama yami mina.
Yo, into zabelungu.
Akahluka.
Guys, nisho manifuna ngingidlulisela uplastic.
What?
Akahluka la ekhaya.
Hayibo.
Ngiyantshela nina umsebenzi.
Akukho kuyitshela futhi lana nje uzoba.
On the first date and he takes you out.
Hayi ngeke pho kwangathi imophu lento le. Bukani ma engathi imophu. Seni testing? Umnandi?
Mina
iPhone ukuvela.
I like this.
Ne? Manje uthi. Also fantastic.
Isiqalile.
Want to say. Ukuthi iyahlukana emlonyeni wami.
No.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
Nama ngi-understand. I think that's the main problem.
Ngiyahlafuna nje kodwa you lost.
Ukuthi uhlafunana
awuzithola esikoleni lapha kwizinto zaka lost and found.
Mina guys solid 3 only because you're cooked and you're tired.
6.
Usawuthi olana efaka imikhambo yabantu ebeach.
Shobe.
Never for real.
No, guys, we enjoy for real land, guys.
I'm not enjoying this.
No, I'm not. We enjoy ngempela.
6. Oh.
Mkhamu emandulela.
As in.
Yeah, but guys, focus on inyama. Focus on inyama.
Ubuzo majensi ubuzo.
Guys, in lento
but guys, to be honest, it's the lobster that's nice. It's not
the
And
crab.
it has an aftertaste.
And ayikho lokho njalo.
Is it me?
Njangitshela. Ngathi sina.
Ngibele man imikhambo yabantu ukuthi yonke le. Editile.
Ngoba ulwandle ngoba abantu.
Bethu. Ngathi imopho. Mina guys ngathi ngidle imopho for real.
Yeah, izemlomeni yaqhakazela.
There's a lot going on.
Kade ngithi ukuthi yahlukana emlomeni.
Imopho limongafa.
Ngichaza ukuthi ngisafuna ukuyihluba ngizwe.
Kuyangichaza kodwa lothi imopho le. Hayi.
Ngiyagida actually. Guys, then isakhona iphona ayikho ehalelayo.
So isakhona ngayini mfana?
Awuyifuni wanele?
No. Ini prawn number. The fish fingers.
Your iPhone? Little set?
Don't play.
Oh, man, thank you.
Lava before we sign off.
Joy is gone.
I feel like listening to not now though, after the video.
Yazi nje sengiyenza.
Kodwa ingadlala futhi ikhalile phansi because I'm gonna add music on top.
Mina ngizonimela la majimbos ngoba
Guys, I want us to watch our birthday vlog.
Hi guys, my prawn. Hi.
You
Hi,
guys,
kuma prawns.
you guys ate them.
I am a prawns.
I'm not a fan of a seafood. Hey, bro, I'm not a fan of a seafood food.
ningamkhiphi eshoda.
I'm not a fan of a seafood.
Get ready with me. Outfit of the day.
Welcome to my video, and I happen to be specific.
I accepted it.
I happened.
Oh no, I was like, what the
I went now we are Angolis.
Nalumbuke ngeke.
Ilejolena nje ama
Girl, we don't do that.
anwadli nje nama octopus.
Ngoba usadla uya imsoyulo asembileni nwanena.
Ngizala umbila mina ngizoyiqeda lento le. Imali phela.
At least in us we wearing black, like dark colors.
Layithengilwa nami. Okay, yeah.
Ayikho imali guys inefanele go to waste.
We should eat.
Unalombila.
Actually, yes, it is.
Football.
Yeah.
Like sekufika la khona ngizofuna ukuthi ayisisami ngemali.
Uthi ngawuthanda umbila vele.
Nyami ngiyawuthanda. Kodwa vele ngisafocus on my crepes.
Guys,
Ngiyuthanda impela kodwa lo too healthy.
What the hell? Ufuna kube njani kanti wanele?
lo.
This one
Yabona
is just too healthy. Awube nokuphara man. Ngathi ngizongela emgaqweni womama.
Awema.
guys, uba uhlupha tata zuphatata.
Awusana wena patata?
Awe mabaze basifunza amazambane.
Wona sikhulu phasi wena.
Irobhane.
Irobhani ngathi igcwele ngiyo.
Ayekho nje ngathi igcwele izinto eziningi.
Ngesobho ngaphandle.
Uyalibona?
Kodwa amazambane.
No, but you guys ate with my prawns. 10
Yeah,
out of
the
10.
prawns.
Okay, for mina always one nale yaseGoli. This one's better.
Ngona ngayingeni leyo.
One lazange ngazayidle eGoli ngayidle ngaze ngayilahla and mina I'm not a fan of throwing away food.
Okay, yini ehlukile compared to yaseGoli? Is it seasoning or
Isiziningi. This
The
one has more
specific thing
seasoning.
is,
Leyana kwangathi ngidlulwandle kwangathi kubuyile. Kakuloko ngisho futhi ngathi ulwandle yakubona zakuloko ngisho ngathi ulwandle. And you were like, but it's seafood. But I was like, yeah, but ngathi ulwandle because it tasted just like seawater. That's it.
No.
That's it. And this one has like more seasoning. So angazi go chef. Kodwa eThekwini vele sinaleyo nto bafethu.
Kari.
Aw, eThekwini.
yeah,
Izambane
ngala
guys.
inama-spice. Kahle ngempela ukuthi, yo, kusho ngasho into
Uqonda vele.
Ngizwani manje sakani?
Izambane olimnandweni.
awukakalizwa.
Semlomeni.
Umanje ayi.
Lisemlomeni kwimanje.
Guys.
Yasho. Not your typical fries. Yasho.
Hayi bhayisi zabo guys.
Abayifake kahle.
Nzimnandi.
Ele ngane engafuni ukulala kamnandi. Ufake emlomeni izume ilanga.
Yeah.
No, it's really nice. I never thought.
Imnandi la ekufika usuthaza.
Uyarobha.
Uwanele ushilo lento ngizothini subconsciously for lack of a better word iyasuthisana. Unganakile it fills you up.
Bona ziningi izinto ezila muyidla uwenda nje ungarathi uzuyishele for
It fills
next
you
time.
up. Uwanele sakhona amanye ama prawns njalo awafuni. shrimp.
I'll have shrimp.
Batata, man.
It's just potato that is sweet.
Better you can. Guys, should we continue recording or should I close off the video?
Okay, I'm getting ready to batata.
Because we can still keep going, actually.
Okay, so now I'm about
I
to
don't
have
mind.
the sweet potato.
Sweet
Can I have the
potato.
shrimp?
Now, what about that?
No, they are water, but okay, let me taste it. Ukuthi ngibuye ngikubalele ngiyakunqena nje ngingasho into eningi.
A sweet potato, guys.
What is it?
Spices about.
Ne? Shooter, ukuze ushukela.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Hayi.
Kodwa i-spices babakhulu.
Ne?
Bengalindelanga yazi nasi futhi ngoba sigcwele yonke le ndawo.
Oh.
Okay, for me, it was full of spicy. Kwangabo batata lo ngijwayele kodwa umnandi.
Ne?
Ukhashubilo.
When ufuna ukuthi lento kahle uzama usitshela ukuthi lento ngayodwa uhashe shayipapalazi. Okay.
Kodwa ngempela bese to be
So now you
honest,
guys, you know.
no, ukuthi unepapalazi. You can eat this.
Mina ngingasuggest ama prawns kuphela.
Ngaphela futhi kodwa ke mina manginepapalazi ngaphela
Ne?
ngayidla ngingedwa.
Guys, mina ngiyahlephula le.
I like-
prawn.
I like the sweet potato, but I just feel like kuya yonke lama spices agcwele la bona kodwa nje ukuhlukile.
Is it potato?
Yes, like it's the only sweet thing.
Okay, like it
It
doesn't make
any
sense.
sense. Why
Okay, I
is there
get
something
you.
sweet?
I get you.
And then it's spicy, but it really does taste nice. I would buy it separately.
Mina, for me, it's the crab. It doesn't make sense. Okay, it makes sense because it's a seafood boil. Kodwa nje ukuthi why? Because let's say izinto guys it sense. Like you can eat
Yeah,
them.
Yeah.
Crab,
Yeah.
no.
Ayalimazaje kodwa futhi
Exactly. Ngoba kumele
Lapha
abe-
ngiyahlanya if I say ngathi bangayidayisa lezi zinto seziphilile.
Yes.
Like peel them off and then
Yeah.
but maybe that's a
Oh,
good
noma
point.
kube optional. I was about to say that.
Yes, it
kube
must be
optional
optional.
because also lento ukuthi uhlule.
Yes.
I think it's part of the experience. Bafuna ukuthi
We
yeah,
experience
yes.
But of course you
Bese
can
sinambila
do that at
experience.
an extra price.
Mm.
Ukuthi ubaphilela abantu into.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
but-
I
Consider
consider
that.
that. I would usenzele for free can.
Because when I
Extra
buy
price.
something, ngifuna ufike sengidla.
Mm,
I
awufuni
don't
uphinde
wanna
uphinde
peel
usebenze.
amaphansi content fine
Iyasetshenzwa kasifundi
Yeah.
bani.
Yeah.
Because
Manje
there's
nama
a
muscle
qeda
uyadonsa.
ne-appetite. Yeah. And my muscles as well, yes.
Uyadonsa mama sini bani.
Yeah.
Nansi into ebengifuna
Ngithanda
ukuyizwa
futhi
ama-muscle. I've never had muscles and I've always
Ngithanda
wanted to
ukuthi
try.
you're not a class.
Ne? Manje iqiniso uthayala ufunjanani?
Njani?
Oh, no, I'm wrong. Muscles, I'm an oyster.
Why ama oyster mina ngeke ngikwazi bandla.
Why?
Ngasimafinyila.
Awu. Cha, ama-oyster, inyama ye-crocodile.
Nyama yenhloko.
Uba ready.
Uba ready manje.
Manje. Apparently.
Hayi bo.
Hayi ka.
Ngithatha zonke lezi zinto.
Hayi guys, i-octopus i-crab, sorry, iyahlakazeka emlonyeni.
Ne?
Like sengiyayiqeda manje.
All over ulimi lonke.
Mm.
Lento yalo.
Ngathi akuyona inyama, basically.
Ngasi nyama fake.
But all in all, what do you guys?
Rate a seafood boil.
Yeah.
It's an experience. Akuyona into ngathi ngingayidla like
Mangibhorekile.
njalo
Yes,
no.
ngasi ungaboqwaqwa. Once
But
in a
nje
while.
just for the experience or yeah.
Mina bandla out of 10, 6
As a whole.
as a whole.
As
yeah.
a whole. As a whole.
And that's me being honest, hey. Angiboni ngayenza into on a regular basis.
Yeah.
Same.
khona abantu that do
Yeah, I think it also like depends whether
ama
you,
taste buds abantu.
yeah, nokuthi uyi-fan yini,
Yo,
like are you an
yes,
actual fan?
I'm not just-
But kodwa guys,
ngiyihalela manginemali lezi.
yes, ukuxhoma. But you guys, you have to bear in mind ukuthi with us, one, sidle late, two, asi-hit upanga, like ngendlela besifuna
We had
ukuyi-hit
a
upanga
problem
ngayo.
with the microwave.
Exactly. So
Ukhulekile. Nobody really fainted.
Hayi,
Ongayazi i-microwave efentayo mawukuthi
Awukhulelanga eSouth
Exactly. Ukhulelele wena wale i-microwave yaquleka.
Ibuye ikatsale.
Oh mfethu.
Babengekho wrong oma bethu mabethi cishana i-TV.
TV yakatsele.
Aliphumzeli i-TV yami.
Nabanye odlala. Katsele TV. Okay, with me. Okay. Okay, when it comes, so I'm just gonna rate. Liphathele nyama. I rated 6. Yeah, I just rated a 6.
And why do you rate it a 6?
Amaqanda ngiyawazi, umbila ngiyawazi, kodwa lo uye e-private school.
It's too rude.
Batata ngiyawazi, so I'm just rating the things that engajwayele ukuzidla. Basically, my prawns, my shrimps. What else? What is this? Crab. I'm just rating things that I've never that I don't have on a regular basis. Yes.
Question, you guys, so we can all agree with Squeezy Football, this was our least favorite.
Yes, it was
Least favorite.
Least.
It was.
Okay.
Isn't I caught fancy England?
Mina lokhu ngiyibiza ngani konje
I'm not a fan.
Bengayibizi kodwa nge-crab the entire time. I don't know what I was calling it as.
For me, guys, overall, I'm gonna give it 5.
550.
5.
50%.
50. Oh.
Eh.
50 for A40 nama prawns.
Khulu
But the
mushe.
spices, khona ama spices anowasebenzisa.
Yes, and ama spices, yes.
You guys
Yes.
You guys
The
did
seasoning
guys.
here
Yeah.
look perfect. Ama prawns here
Doesn't
look
have
perfect.
spices. Jobek doesn't even have
Egoli. Egola yengekho ama spice
The presentation as well, you guys, is
It
actually
really
good.
does. Yes. Presentation.
So that's why you guys are getting 50.
Yeah.
Presentation, prawns, is seasoning. Shrimpian, you guys could have won. It's too chewy.
Very true.
It's very chewy. But one thing I've noticed, you guys, kukancane uthola shrimp engekho chewy. To be quite honest.
But I've never had.
Mina bengiqala ukanje udishwe.
Yeah. Mina ke chewy kanje.
Mina bengiqala nje.
Okay. Mina, one thing I've noticed, ama prawns, yes, awabi chewy. Kodwa ishrimp most of the time iba chewy.
Azange uthi nimehluko.
Mina ngazuthi lokho kunye kancane lokho kunye kukhulu.
Kukhulu.
Yeah.
Pho indaba lokho kunye kuchuwi lokho kunye ngekho chuwi.
Ungekho chewy.
Angazi. Nokuthi yabo lokho kunesikhumba. Lokho kuyeqhamuka kodwa.
Mhlawumbe we have to
Ingane
peel
lokho
it.
kunye.
Olo sekukhule sekudala.
Sekudala sekama adults.
Oh, namazambane, guys. Hayi amazambane.
Mazambane
Yes.
dash 8 as well. And a flavor.
And then
aromates.
in pasta,
And spice.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Nine.
10 out of 10. Oh, cheese.
Okay, no. Pasta again.
Lactose intolerant.
Cheese is way too heavy. And with pasta, I know abantu abayithandi ukuthi ibe rich kakhulu.
Amnandi umbila.
Ne? Yeah.
But I guys in that's
Mm.
me I'm a
So
veg.
sorry.
I know it's a veggie, but like that's me I'm a veg. I pay like umbila besu awubrayo lapha awosiwe.
No, you guys should share ama spices
Seafood
in.
boy.
Ayayasho ama spice
Aye,
guys.
you
Yo,
should
so
share.
impressed.
Bangawa gatekeep. Yandam.
I'm so impressed.
Iqanda ne-aromates iqanda.
Ne-aromates.
Iqanda.
Yeah, also guys, please comment down below. Isikuphi isidingo sakamaqanda kwi-seafood bowl.
I was
Secretly, like, if you know, please do educate
No
us.
batata.
Yes.
Sweet potato.
If you know, please do
Mina
educate
ngawuthanda
us, you
kodwa.
guys.
Hey, Maggie.
bruh.
Hi.
Ngingayiclose off ivideo kuqala. Kodwa vele ngiyakubonakala.
Mina nami ngayisetha. I don't mind.
Okay.
It's normal for South African women to take their bras. Sorry. The relief you feel after removing bra. You amabele ngathi halala.
You guys, this was nice. I so wish we had more to taste.
Besides the
Yes, this was nice.
That's really nice.
I don't want to end the video actually. I don't
But
want
guys, I
to
hope
end it.
you enjoy it.
Ne? Oh, bona. Oh.
Next.
Okay, to close it off, thank you so much, Seafood Boil. This was
really
nice.
It was
Yes.
nice. It was nice. Thank you
It
so
was.
much.
Yeah, and
For the
thank you.
sponsor.
Yes.
Just
Well,
jokes.
as sponsor manifesting.
Please
Yes,
do.
Sana.
Yes.
It's
And thank you
It's
guys for
coming.
watching and subscribing and watching till this far basically.
Thank you
From
for having us.
Exactly.
If
From
this video didn't win your hearts, go to subscribe.
Unenhliziyo B.
Exactly.
Unenhliziyo B straight Yimbi.
Yimbi.
Okay, you guys, from us to you. we love
Ugly.
you.
Bye,
Bye, you guys.